Having been established in Konya in 1977, Değirmencioğlu Milling Machines Industry and Trade Limited actualizes their production in its modern factory of having 6,000 square meter indoor area with total 50 employees, 5 of whom are engineers. Besides Turkey, they have been producing milling machines and milling systems to the countries such as Egypt, Uzbekistan, Ethiopia, Ghana, Senegal, Nigeria, Kenya, South Africa, Botswana, Namibia, Zambia, Tanzania, Indonesia, Morocco, Georgia, Azerbaijan, Turkmenistan, Libya, Romania, Kazakhstan, Russia, Armenia, Syria, Iraq, Ukraine, and Algeria with their experience more than a quarter century. Coming to the fore with their quality and marketing mentality, considering each of customer as a friend in the region they have achieved sale, Değirmencioğlu is of a strong quality control system in every stage, starting from the raw material input until the product delivery. Değirmencioğlu has always made tiny distinctions in the customer relations. The guests who come to visit Değirmencioğlu production plant in Turkey are hosted in the best way, making a milling machine at 200 ton capacity ready within a very short time, like 30 days. Değirmencioğlu offers speedy and quality solutions for your requirements in this field. Actualizing 20 units of milling system assembly in various capacities annually, Değirmencioğlu is among the leading companies of the sector with the production capacity and outstanding quality standards. In case of following up the operational and maintenance instructions, machines are made at the quality to operate long years without any problems due to the outstanding quality standards. Değirmencioğlu meticulously produces each of the parts constituting the machine. Having stocks at the optimum level against the negativity you may encounter in the production with the experiences they have gained for many years, Değirmencioğlu is of all sorts of substructures to avoid any failures in your production. A solid quality control policy is implemented from the biggest machine operating to the smallest part. Our R&D department pays attention to the aesthetic as well as the product performance. The machines which are manufactured are always subjected to multifunctional improvement, and the technologies developed in the world are reflected to the product simultaneously, extending the numbers of their customers and their market day by day. Değirmencioğlu reflects the developing production technologies to their products and constructs a strong friendship bridge between you and your consumers.